Wouldn't it be awesome if you could just email a company of your dreams and get a job there the next week? Unfortunately, that's not even close to how this works. You need to become someone who's trusted and experienced and has tons of skills outside of just music and sound, like being able to communicate and manage a business if you're a freelancer too. So when it comes to cold emailing developers, you want to be able to be the sort of person who asks questions instead of begging for a job. And when you're asking really specific, short questions, sending very short emails, I get giant encyclopedias all the time and I never respond to those, you become the sort of person who will get a response from developers, or at least be more likely to get a response. And when you start approaching things this way, curious instead of begging for a job, which most people fall into this category, you become the sort of person that people know, like, and trust, and then over the course of years, people will start to know you and be able to work with you or trust you to work with them on their projects and maybe even hire you for a AAA position in the future. Granted, it's not that easy. It takes many years of doing this, and most people, frankly, aren't willing to put in the time and will give up after 3 to 6 months. So make sure you're not that person and make sure you stick it out because 1, a lot of people won't respond to you. 2, a lot of the emails you write will be extremely bad, and I'm sure you sent a lot of long emails to people, maybe even to me, that will never get responded to. And 3, you have to be extremely polite and graceful if someone doesn't get back to you. I get a lot of people really angry that Bungie didn't email them back or EA didn't email them back when they have no experience and can't offer any value to these big companies. So keep going, and you have to be graceful when things don't work out your way, and you'll eventually find those jobs and get those positions that you want. So if you enjoyed that game audio FAQ, please make sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you get notified literally what every other YouTuber on the planet tells you to do. And also sign up for my newsletter where I give you access to 2 free courses that'll teach you how to work, negotiate, network, and get paid in the game industry.